had. Undermining the president and the cabinet by allegedly making contradictory public statements from the position taken by cabinet regarding the evacuation of the people residing along Nairobi River. To start with, for the record, President William Ruto has never complained to me that I have undermined him. If he has told that to Honorable Mutuse, I would like to know that he has complained to Honorable Mutuse that his deputy has undermined him. Article 147 of the Constitution provides the deputy president shall be the principal assistant to the president and shall deputize for the president in the execution of the president's functions. Article 28, which states that every person has inherent dignity and the right to have that dignity respected and protected.